What's your phone?
No, I'm writing something very important.
Come here.
No.
I saw them live and it was amazing. They opened with this song and they were wearing robot costumes and there was like Blue Man Group kind of drums and they were all like Blue Man Group.
Let Ross answer it.
No.
What's it say? This is by Kelly.
It says, "Oh, you're a hot stud, Ross."
What we just listened to.
Oh, Play the Concord.
That ruins it so much.
What?
The message I just sent you.
You didn't send me anything.
It's a distraction.
That's what it said. That way you would get off and be distracted.
This is a distraction.
Yeah.
Decide another to somebody else.
No, you really shouldn't.
Hey Sean, do you have your phone?
Yes.
Okay.
Is it a distraction, man? No, it's my guitar. Skills.
Playing a beat.
Oh.
You're playing Fall Out Boy, by the way.
What?
Yeah, well, I'm failing. I failed.
Does anyone like the Blues
Not
Brothers?
even playing, are you?